Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? This is live price prediction of Cardano. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button for all videos notification. I updating you any last hour. You can see here the change of last 1 hour. This is live prediction of last 1 hour. You can check here the last change, 0.61%. Absolutely good change for Cardano holders. I think this is buying time. This is absolutely buying time. You can see the highest change of USD dollar, 1.16 USD dollar. Absolutely good, Cardano holders. This is good profit. You can see here 1.16 US dollar. Absolutely good time hour. Okay, so let's check it out the last 2 hour result. I hope the last 2 hour result absolutely good. So oh my goodness, you can see here the last 2 hour result as absolutely good change. You can see here plus 2.03% change. This is not bad. This is absolutely good. You can see here the graph is also going off. You can see here the as this is absolutely going off, not going down. So this is good time for buyers because they are going upward. This is not a bad time for Cardano holders. Cardano holders, just buy at what you say. I'm also Cardano holders, what you say, please comment us and click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you anyhow. Okay, for communication please connect us. Okay, just subscribe ABS Tech channel. Allah Hafiz. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.